The heart of the wood processing industry is the biannual HOLZ-HANDWERK trade fair in Nuremberg. We now have 4 exhibition days behind us, and the 2 most important gentlemen for this trade fair are here with me. I'd like to welcome Dr. Bernhard Dirr, Managing Director of the German Engineering Federation, or VDMA, and also the host, Stefan Dittrich from NuernbergMesse. I had the impression from day one onwards that there were an exceptional number of visitors to the trade fair. What have you thought of the numbers? We have already grown a lot on the exhibitor side, so it's obviously important to us that we also grow in terms of visitors. We've seen growth on all days, and it's very likely that we will pass the 100,000 mark. I can say that with confidence already. A full exhibition centre, that's clearly something that the hosts are delighted about. But the question is, what do the exhibitors have to say? Dr. Dirr, you've obviously had a lot of conversations with people in the last few days. That's part of what a trade fair like this is all about. What's the feeling among your member companies? To put it in a nutshell, HOLZ-HANDWERK trade fair, which always raises high expectations, has completely surpassed itself this time. We are very, very happy. The exhibitors are very happy. That's due to our customers, the joiners, who clearly have a good workload on the one hand, but also come in the mood to invest, to be better equipped with technology. To summarize, it's satisfaction all round. What do you see as the trends that have been highlighted at the HOLZ-HANDWERK? Are there hot topics in the industry? There are lots of trends, and the range represented here at the HOLZ-HANDWERK, the breadth of services, makes it difficult to spot one in particular. We have noticed one development continuing from year to year, namely the professionalization of the trade in the ability to adapt, to take on and to successfully implement topics and technologies from the industry. That is clearly continuing, and we can see that in all areas. I'm really pleased about that because it helps the joinery trade to be able to keep pace with what the industry is delivering. I should maybe also mention another area that has made a particular impression on me. I find the quantity of battery-powered equipment that is forcing its way onto the market astonishing. And in the power tools area, just how powerful the machines are, it wasn't possible to conceive that just a few years ago. It's plain to see, there's a lot to discuss right here in the exhibition hall at the HOLZ-HANDWERK trade fair. Herr Dittrich, I'd also like to take a look at the future with you. A highly successful trade fair is obviously always a blessing and a curse at the same time. What is left for the HOLZ-HANDWERK to achieve? It's obviously important to carry this positive atmosphere forward for 2016, and we're in a really good position as far as the mechanical area is concerned. I also see potential in the non-mechanical area on the supply side, where we can certainly make improvements and meet the demand from abroad. In summary, we can say the HOLZ-HANDWERK Trade Fair 2014 has once again set new standards. I'd like to offer my sincere thanks to Stefan Dittrich and Dr. Dirr from the VDMA, and we look forward to meeting again in 2 years at the HOLZ-HANDWERK 2016 from the 16th to the 19th of March in Nuremberg.